Wow, this pond looks really good. What the fuck?
Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. Today, gonna be doing some simple mods to the Jetta. We're gonna be doing skirts for it, and then just putting some different lugs on it because these lugs are all rusty and shit like that. And I just want you to check out before we put the skirts on how it looks. It's whatever, but with the skirts, it's gonna look a hell of a lot better. Also, I already got the underground package already on the back and the front, so might as well do the skirts too at this point. Just gonna put it in the garage, throw a heater on, and we're just gonna get right into it. All right, here we go. We got the skirts right here. Not really sure how they're gonna go on yet, but we'll figure that out. And then we also got, like I said, the lugs on those were all rusted and shitty, so just got a new black one. It's gonna look a hell of a lot better. This is a smaller one, so you need this bit to put them on and then do like that. So that should be good. Lukey's here, and we're just gonna get to it. All right, turns out I'm a jackass, and all Volkswagens, Lukey was saying that they have threads on them, they're threaded bolts, so I'm gonna have to go swap those out and actually get the threaded bolts ones for it. So until then, we'll be leaving these shitty nuts on. Pretty simple under here. All you do is just put a couple of screws. We put 4 of them in. One on the top, 2. And then we'll get an outside shot of it, but you can see right now it's on. Looks pretty decent. We're gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna get it outside and show you. The car is super dirty right now, but overall it came out pretty damn good. You can see, I'll do some before and after shots, but it looks pretty good overall. Doesn't make a huge difference, but definitely makes a difference. The other side actually had a huge dent in it, but I made it work as best as possible. But yeah, a lot more mods to come. Definitely gonna get some new bolts for it now that I got the wrong ones. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.